So in the previous commit, I commented out summary of the Swiss data. So suppose now I want to uncomment line 5 to get back summary of the Swiss data. One way to achieve this is to create a new commit that actually reverses changes in the previous commit. So in this case, uncomment line 5. And a Git command that allows me to do that is Git Revert. So suppose I do Git Revert and to that previous commit that I had. And if I just do Git Revert and then this commit hash is going to ask for kind of like a commit or a revert message. But since I don't want that, I'm going to put no edit and just go with the default message. So now if we check out our demo.r file, now this change has been reversed. And another way to undo changes is to completely uncommit or to discard all previous commits using Git Reset. So one of the Git Reset command is the Git Reset -- hard, which is the hard reset, which basically means I want to delete all changes in the working directory, the staging area, or even commit history to match a target commit. This is a command that we want to use with caution because this would basically wipe out all the changes that we had since that particular commit that we want to reverse to. So suppose now I want to go back to when we explored, or actually before we explored the Swiss data. So one way to do this is to use Git Reset -- hard, and then the commit hash that I want my working directory to revert to is this one. So now if I go and see my demo.r file, I see that all of the changes where my edits regarding the Swiss data is gone. And one last thing I want to mention is that we can also untrack a file in the working directory. So suppose if like for any reason there's like an R file or any file for that matter in my working directory that I don't want to track, or maybe I was tracking it earlier, but now I want to stop tracking it. The Git command for that is Git Remove and then -- cached, and then the file name. In this case, that will be demo.r. So this just means that demo.r is removed from the Git version tracking. But if we go to our directory, so demo.r is still here. It's just that Git is not tracking it anymore.